Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you all doing on this Wednesday? I am so glad that you are here with me. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kiwanis. I am a board certified credit consultant. I am also the owner of KMJ Financial Services, where we specialize in tax preparation and credit education. I have an MBA, and I am your favorite podcast host of the Credit Refresh podcast. Season 2 starts on March 1st. We wrapped up season 1 with 13 episodes. So if you haven't listened, go and take a listen to season 1. If you're watching the replay, let me know in the comments. Type hashtag replay game. Of course, if you have any questions while we are on this live stream, or even if you're watching the replay, make sure that you drop those questions in the comments, and I will be happy to answer them for you. So let's jump into today's topic, which is how to hire your children for your small business. Now, hiring your children for your small business can be a great way to provide them with work experience and financial independence while also allowing you to take advantage of tax benefits. If you hire your children as employees to do legitimate work in your business, you may deduct their salaries from your business income as a business expense. You can pay your children up to $12,000 per year tax free. If you stay under the $12,000 limit, they do not have to file a tax, which means tax return, which means they don't have to pay any taxes on their $12,000. And you also get to deduct their wages, which lowers your business taxable income. So if you have children between the ages of 7 and 22, you can use this strategy to save you money and to help them build their confidence with working. Each of your children can be employed by your business and paid an annual wage of $12,000, which I've already said. Amount is important because the standard deduction amount. This is the standard deduction amount for singles. So if your business gets to take deduction for the payment, which decreases your taxable income. So when your children file their tax return, and since they only made $12,000, and then the standard deduction is $12,000, their income basically is zero. So they don't have to pay any taxes on that. So the business gets to take the deduction and the kids pay no federal income tax. Now make sure that you are following the rules if you're going to do this. The child must be a real employee, so make sure they are assigned a job that they can actually do. We know that a 5-year-old is not doing your social media, so make sure that you a 7-year-old, because a 5-year, that's unbelievable. So make sure whatever it is job they're doing, make sure it's an actual job. So compensation must be reasonable. You can't pay your child $100 an hour to shred papers. That is not reasonable, and it's going to cause a red flag with the IRS. And then you should pay them. Do not pay them with cash. Pay them a direct deposit or a check. Again, you want to treat your child like they are an employee of the business, because they are an employee of the business. And then make sure you comply with your legal requirements for an employee, and also the requirements for children who are working. You must fill out a W-4 for that your child, complete their I-9, all of those legal things that you need to do when you have an employee. You also need to do it with the child, okay? So if you have any questions about how you can hire your child as an employee in your business, and then they can save money by not having to file a tax return, and then your business can save money by using that as a tax deduction, you can definitely leave those questions in the comments, or you can send them to me in my DM. My team is ready to work with you. We can file in all 50 states. Go to bookwithkiwanis.com. That's bookwithkiwanis.com if you want to get on the phone and talk with us, or if you're ready to file your taxes. We will be happy to serve you. You all meet me here next week, same time, same place. We're going to talk about another tax topic. Until then, y'all stay well.